Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 5, that is 5F. We will solve question number F. In question number F you see here, that is 7 into 50 minus 2, 50 minus 2. In this case also we are using distributive property. Here also I use here distributive property. You are using here the distributive property, that is A into B plus C plus C is equal to A into B, A into B plus A into C plus A into C. Right here, in case of plus, you have used here minus, and use in this case also, that is A into B minus C, and that is also equal to A into B minus A into C. This can also be used. This is also distributive property. That means here we take this as A, 50 as B, and 2 as C. Therefore, we can write 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2, 7 into 2. That comes to 5 7 35, 3, 5, 0 minus 7 to 14. If we subtract 350, subtract 14 from 350, we are getting minus 4, 6, carry 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 336. 336, that is equal to 336. Here we have used the property, that is distributive property, A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Now we'll solve question number G. Question number G can be written as, let's solve question number G. Question number G is here, you see, question number G, that is minus 17 into minus 29. Here also use distributive property. Right? Here you see this is minus 29. Therefore, it can be written as, that is distributive property is A into B plus C is equal to A into B, A into B plus A into C Right? Therefore, we can write it is here as minus 17 into, here is this minus 29. It can be written as 1 minus 30. 1 minus 30, here you see 30 is greater than 1, therefore it will 30 minus 1 is 29, and 30 is greater, therefore minus 29. This is the same as that. Now we will multiply this one, right? That is A plus B, or you can write this property also, that A into B minus C. It can be also written as A into B minus A into C. Therefore, we can write here minus 17 into 1, right? Here minus is given, therefore minus in bracket minus 17 into 30. I have to use the bracket here into 30, right? Therefore we are getting 17 into 1, that is minus 17, right? And here you will find it is minus, and in bracket plus into minus is minus, and multiply 17 with 3. 17 with 3. 3 7 is 21. 23 plus 2 5. 5 1. That is 5 1, and 0 is there, 5 1 0. Right? Therefore we are getting minus 17. Minus into minus is plus, plus 510 plus 510. Now subtract 17 from 510. This is 510 minus 17. 7. 3. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2. That is 9. Carry 1. 493. That comes to 493. 493. And sign is, this is greater. So plus 493 is the answer. Here we have used the distributive property, that is this property A into B minus C, that is equal to A into B minus A into C. Here we have written minus 29 as 1 minus 30, right? After that minus 17 into 1 minus 17 into 30, right? And here we are getting 493. Right? Therefore, this is the answer 493. Where here we have used the distributive property. That is the second one. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Now we'll solve question number H. Question number H is, here you see. Now we'll solve question number 5H. Let us solve question number H. Now question number H is, here you see. Question number H, that is this question. It is minus 57 minus 57 into minus 19 into minus 19 plus 57 plus 57, right? Here we use the property, that is here also we use the property distributive property. Distributive property. Here we also use the distributive property. Distributive property. That is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C plus A into C, right? Now here we'll write it is here as minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. Now 57 can be written in this way, that if we use this property, that minus 1 into minus A, that comes to minus into minus is plus A. We'll use this property here, right? In case of 57. Therefore we can write it as minus 57 into minus 1, right? Now here you see that's minus 57 is common in both. that will take it as here as minus 57. In bracket we are getting minus 19, this is plus, and here it is minus 1. Bracket close. Therefore we are getting minus 57 into minus 19 plus into minus, there is minus 1. That means we are getting minus 57 into minus 20, right? Therefore we are getting minus into minus is plus, and we multiply by 57 by 2. 2 7 is 14, carry 1, it is 4, 5 to 10 plus 1 11, 1 1 4, that is 1 1 4, and 1 0 is there. This is the answer of question number 8. And we use here distributive property, this one and this property, that is minus 1 into minus a is equal to a. I have used this property, distributive property, in case of h. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.